To create a root on uneven grounds, you just need to drag and drop the root actor on the desired location. Then, you can directly click on the spline points of this root and move them to trace the path you want. Remember that you can create new spline points by pressing the Alt key and moving the selected spline point, or by right-clicking on the desired point and selecting Duplicate Spline Point. You don't need to worry about the spline alignment. The character will automatically snap to the ground. Ensuring the spline is on top of the desired surface is a knot.